Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. I-16 zika December 2024 i-EFF yayine conference ayibizwa kuthiwa i-NPA, National People's Assembly, lapha ababehlangene khona bekhetha abantu abazoba ngabaholi kwinje i-conference ya 3 days. Kodwa uDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi azangabonakala kulo conference. Abantu abaningi babe concern futhi befuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. Uma bezindaba bebuzela nathi njengabantu bomphakathi esingambonanga, kanti kuvamise ukuthi uma ngabe i-EFF inama conference simbone active, sizibuza ukuthi ukuphi. Base bethi mabethola ithuba lokuthi ba-interact ne-EFF nobuholi be-EFF, bambuza uCIC Julius Malema ukuthi uphi uDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. Kunokuthi asichazele njengabantu base-South Africa ukuthi kwenzakalani, wakhetha ukuphendula kanje.
We're not going to answer the question about Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. You've got his number and some of you talk to him, call him. I'm not responsible for Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. 90% of the people who were here, who expected to be here, are here. That's what matters. Whoever is not here was not supposed to be here from the beginning. So you are not going to reduce this organization to some individual without him. He's not here. I heard people say he's here, he's doing this. He's not here. He's not here. And it's not our interest to entertain such nonsense. It's not our interest. We're dealing with political issues here, not egoism, not people who think they are bigger than this organization. It will show them once again that it's bigger than all of them. So we as a matter of principle, SG and policy position, we're no longer going to answer any nonsense about Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. Never. When a journalist asks you that question, you must say, ask another question. You can be smarter than that. Ask something else. This matter is closed. You can talk about it amongst yourselves, but don't bring it to us. We are refusing that. Don't do that. Don't reduce the whole ideological political report to Sunday world gossip, because that's what they thrive on. And we know what is the relationship of Sunday world, its owners and Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. We don't want to talk about it. Don't push us. Don't push us. We know Mbuyiseni Ndlozi's friendship with the owner of Sunday World, and by that extension we know his relationship with Sunday World.
Esasilindele noma bezindaba ababeyilindele ukuthi asiphendule kahle uCIC ukuthi kwenzakalani, hayi yonke lento ayikhulumile. Futhi ayikho into enhle njengokuthi uma ungamboni umuntu bese ubuza abantu aba-right, aba-relevant, kunokuthi siyikhulume sodwa sigcine sikhuluma thina izinto ezingelona iqiniso. Kodwa indlela aphendula ngayo kwakhombisa ukuthi hayi kunenkinga khona la. Noma ke zaziningi izinto ezazikhulunywa ngaleso sikhathi, kwakusolakala ukuthi kungenzeka ukuba uDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi ujoin i-MK Party, ngoba phela uFloyd ngaleso sikhathi waye announcile ukuthi yena uyashiya ku-EFF uyojoin i-MK Party. Kodwa noma kunjalo, kodwa sizibuza ukuthi ngoba siyazi ukuthi uDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi personally akamthandi nje uJacob Zuma kusuke sewupresident, engakabi upresident akaze amthande, akaze azwana naye. Kungenzeka kanjani? Kodwa ke kuyipolitiki bathi there are no permanent enemies, then there are no permanent friends. Imibuzo le yayisifika emakhanda kubantu ngenxa yempendulo abayiphiwa uCIC Julius Malema njengomuntu omholi, njengomuntu okwakufuneka atshela abantu base-South Africa ukuthi hayi Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlovu akekho ngalesi sizathu noma akekho, kodwa ngeke sikwazi ukuthi isizathu sakhona sisidalule. Yayingeke ibe khona imibuzo eminingi, kodwa wena wakhetha ukuphendula kanje. Uma-ke uDr. Mbuyiseni Ndlovu esedicayidile yena ukuthi usezosazisa njengabantu base-South Africa ukuthi kwenzakalani, waba ne-exclusive interview ne-SABC lapha ekhuluma khona nobaba lo wakwaMbeje, sengikhohlwe igama lakhe, la achaza khona ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngicela uzwe la.
I was suspended about 6 weeks before the conference, and the suspension was unconventional in that it didn't rely on the code of conduct of the EFF summoned by its constitution, but largely the suspension rested on 2 counts.
Yeah.
On the one hand, the leadership said that it's in possession of an intelligence report in which they claim that I'm part of the infiltration strategy by the MKP. I'm working with the MKP. I'm planning to go to join them. I'm waiting for some opportune moment. The second one largely rested on the fact that I knew about the then Deputy President Floyd Shivambu's departure. Of course, I can state categorically now that I never planned to join the MKP. I still don't. I never worked with anybody in the MKP in relation to some conspiracy about my departure.
Yeah.
And I think that whatever information they say they have was based largely on lies. Secondly, I did know about the departure of Floyd Shivambu. He did come to tell me of his consideration, and indeed I did tell him that, look, you would have to take the leadership into confidence, and he did. The idea that I should have ran behind his back and informed other people or the leadership suggests that I'm an informant, a gossiper, or a wedge driver. I am none of those. It was Floyd's decision. He had to communicate it. It was not my decision. It was his. He had to communicate it, and he did.
Lana ke uDr. Mbuyiseni Ndlovu wayichaza isizathu esenza ukuthi amiswe singamboni ku conference. Imagine ukuthi bekubuza umuntu owaziyo ukuthi kwenzakalani. Wayangasho nje ukuthi uDr. Mbuyiseni Ndlovu akekho, ngeke sikwazi ukusichaza isizathu salokho, kodwa akayona ingxenye yeconference kudlule. Hayi lezi zinto eziningagcina ezikhuluma. Njengoba bene interview noSakina lapha kwi-SABC News kule insuku ezedlule, uCIC uthe uma engasabuyi uDr. Mbuyiseni Ndlovu yena ngamendlalele red carpet wazichaza izathu zakhe. Ngizokucaphunela i-video yakhona uzizwele, kodwa bekubalulekile ukuthi siyixoxe le ndaba uqale wazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Azi uNdlovu sigcine sazi ukuthi uphumile ku-EFF ingoba kwakwenze njani. So bekubalulekile ukuthi sidlule lapha nanokuthi kwathiwani ngaye njengoba namhlanje khulunywa ukuthi yena ngendlalela i-red carpet. Athi ngikucaphunele nansi video.
If Mbuyiseni Ndlovu was to come to the EFF tomorrow, I will put a red carpet for him. Because yes, he's one of the few who conducted himself in a very different manner. Because I know for a fact that once they leave the EFF, they start behaving like they are potential patients of mental hospital.
So the doors open for Mbuyiseni, Floyd?
No. Mbuyiseni never took a T-shirt of another political party. So the constitution of the EFF is clear. Once you leave the EFF and put on a T-shirt of another political party, you cannot come back because the EFF is not holding in where you do check in, check out.
All right.
But Mbuyiseni didn't check out and go into another political party. He said, I'm taking a break, let me make a reflections and decide on my way forward without being emotional. Of course, he has been engaging in the discourse, but he has never degenerated.
Ngiyazi ke ukuthi kuma podcast amaningi kuvela sengathi uJulius Malema uthi uNdlovu uyamfuna back, kodwa uthi if okusho ukuthi ngesiZulu uma kungase kwenzeke lo uMbuyiseni Ndlozi afuna ukubuya ku-EFF uwemukelekile. Mhlawumbe esingakuncoma la ukuthi istrategy asebenzisile uSiyayisisa ukuthi angasho straight noma bukhoma ukuthi Ndlozi buye ekhaya, kodwa abeki option ukuthi Ndlozi the ball is in your court, it's up to you. Uma ufuna ukubuya unayo indawo ekhaya. Kodwa kunjengoba abantu babebesho ukuthi uSiyayisisa Julius Malema ufuna uNdlozi abuye ku-EFF. Uthe if nakhona ubephendula umbuzo abebuzwe wona ngoFloyd. Wayesenza umzekelo ngabantu ababili, kodwa senze community if kungenzeka ukuthi uyamfuna abuye ekhaya, kodwa istrategy asebenzisile esithi abeka akwenze cace kuDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi ukuthi ndoda mawufuna ukubuya ungeze ekhaya, kodwa angasho straight. Elokho nje ngingakusho. Angibambe le video, ngicela ukuzophawula kwakho la comment section. Ngizowena ukuthi ubona kanjani. Ngiyazi kama fighter awahluphi. Uma uSiyayisisa ethi akakufuni, awakufuni. Uma uSiyayisisa ethi hayi sengiyakuthanda manje, ayakuthanda nawe. Noma yini ayishilo uSiyayisisa ngoNdlozi ngalesa sikhathi nabo behambelana naye. Namhlanje sebejikile ulimi labo. Bathi uNdlozi mayabuya bangamemukela ngoba banjengalezi zimvo ozibona la. Uma uthi sibhekele babheka le angike ke nje indaba ya